it's currently like 5:19 in the morning. Last night we decided to stay at this little like hotel place in order to get warm and dry, which was so cozy and so nice instead of sleeping out in the rain, which is also cozy and nice in a different way. Now we're headed back to Milford Sound to try and catch a bit of sunrise. And then after that we're gonna get coffee. We're on our way. So we made it to Milford Sound and it's insane. Look at that. Just like New Zealand, folks. Definitely worth getting up early. Getting some Milford Sound portraits. This is pretty wild. This is a pretty crazy place. Alright, we got some shots back there. Tried to escape the biting flies, and now we're gonna get coffee.
Coffee.
Are you guys excited?
So pumped. Super pumped.
We're super pumped. Alright, they edited some photos, I wrote a bunch, Sam's gotten cozy back there. Now we are headed onward to the next place that we're going.
Bye Milford Sound.
Bye Milford Sound.
We miss you.
I love you. Be safe.
Best place on earth.
Make smart choices. I'll be back as soon as I can.
Alright, come on, Stanley.
We stopped, we got coffee, we got some food, and now we're heading to the very, very southern tip of New Zealand to this place called Nugget Point, which is supposed to be cool, and it will probably be a pretty scenic drive on the way, so that's where we're going. That way. super stoked to see if there are any chicken nuggets there. It's a little chilly and a little windy out, but I hear that the view up here is pretty good. So up here we're at this little lookout point. Really cool and windy, but it looks nice. We've been discussing some reasons why they might have named this Nugget Point. Some valid points were brought up, including gold nuggets or chicken nuggets, or that, yeah, those are all of the points brought up. But we don't know yet, and I haven't seen a sign that says the real answer, so just kind of waiting on that. I'll keep you posted, or not if I forget. Who knows? We'll see. Only time will tell. I'm so sorry. Here we are on the little lighthouse deck. This is the view. I understand why they call it Nugget Point now. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty good view. We saw a couple seals swimming around in the water also, which was cute. Yeah, not bad.